Welcome back to the shop. Today is February 6th, 2020, and it's about 11 p.m. at night. I don't believe I'll spend too much time in the shop tonight because it's about 35 degrees in here, but just wanting to maybe do a little bit of history on the Bronco, how I got it, where I got it from. The Bronco I bought off my grandfather about 9 years ago for $1,500. And I'll put a clip of it when I first got it running inside his barn and some pictures of it before I tore it apart, so you can kind of see what it looked like and how it sounded. I did put the Bronco in one car show, and it won in its class in the unrestored category. That was about 4 years ago. And since then, I've ripped the front end off of it, tore the engine out of it, and it's been sitting since. What I discovered in the engine was a bent push rod. I noticed when I was driving it, it was making a terrible vibration at the wheel. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it or not. This was a push rod that I found. I'm not sure how it happened or what was done to do this. If anybody knows, let me know, please. I'd like to know. But the main reason I'm starting with this project over any others is I have a lot more parts for this Bronco. I have a complete wiring kit, a new distributor, front suspension parts, some bushings and bearings. I have 2 new doors, inner and outer rockers for both sides, a new front grille, and I believe that's it. And of course, these tires are relatively new, but hopefully I'll get the Bronco back and running before they dry rot. But other than that, I think I'm gonna head back in because I'm about to freeze out here. But I do have to pull one order that I sold today, and I'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow's when I'll do my update of what's sold for me and how much I got in my bank account at the moment, which isn't very much, but at least it's some. Thank you and good night.